pain, redemption. This is the essence.
This is how I made a movie trailer for a just released movie, right? Then basically I will go to my ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to write a movie trailer for just released movie, right? The title of the movie is The Essence. The Essence, right? Then I'll wipe this. The Essence. This is the essence. Then using motion and animation arts format, right? Output in JSON prompt, right? This is the ideas we need and the content and basic information we need, because what you basically want to achieve is a movie trailer for a just released movie. And the title of the movie is The Essence, right? Then it's going to use motion and animations art format for this type of creations. Then every of the output that is going to give us is basically going to be in JSON prompt, right? It's not going to be in paragraph, it's going to be in JSON format in form of a code. Then you now send it, right? You now send it. Then you can basically see that this is the JSON prompt format. It's just like a code, right? It will give you the code. Then we are going to look at the metadata. Metadata is the content of the ads, right? That is the metadata. You can see the prompt name is The Essence Animation Motion Trailer. That is the prompt name. Then the category is movie trailer. The title is The Essence. That the title is The Essence. You can see that duration here is 30 seconds, of which Gemini and VO3 is their maximum this thing. The duration is 8 seconds. We are going to tell it to reduce it to 8 seconds. Then aspect ratio is 16:9. Then resolution is 1920 by 1080. Then format is MP4 because it is basically a movie, right? A video, so to say. Then you can see that visual style here is cinematic, motion graphics, animated sequence, dramatic lightning. Tone is mystical, emotional, suspenseful, and inspiring. Then color palette is deep blues, golden highlights, and glowing accent shadows. Then the essence of using this JSON prompt, that it basically understands the type of color to use for this particular thing. If is maybe a product, it understand this type of color to use, this type of animations to apply, and all of this. That is why I recommend JSON prompt for every of my commercials, right? Then this is the audio. The audio is epic orchestral build with soft piano intro, right? That is the audio. Then voiceover, deep cinematic male voice, calm but powerful, right? Maybe the essence, right? A kind of vibe, gives the animation, the arts a very good vibe. Then second, then sound design, wind whispers, heartbeat, echo transitions, soft rise to explosions of what music. Then duration, this is scene. It's positioned this according to scene. This is scene 1. Then it's going to be 4 seconds, right? This is a glowing orb floats in darkness. The camera slowly zooms in as particles swirls around it, right? You can see even the camera movement is even included in this, right? The motion effect is slow motion, slide trace, and camera pushing. Then text overlays. In a world where truth has been forgotten, what be written on the screen. Then duration, this particular duration is 5 seconds too. Then animated silhouette of woman walking through the mist, their reflections fading into darkness, and all blah blah blah, all these things. Then this is voiceover. You can see voiceover here. Voiceover is one soul will uncover the meaning of existence. Is going to use a powerful male voice. Understand? One soul will uncover the meaning of existence, right? With a powerful voice. Then this is scene 6. 6 seconds, a young woman opens her eyes. Golden energy bursts around her. her hand reaches towards a floating symbol, the essence. Then energy pause. You can see it here now. The duration is this one. This is text overlay for this. This is another scene. This is another scene also. Then scene 5, duration 5 seconds. You can basically understand that the duration for this is basically what's the duration again? Is 30 seconds. But we need the duration to be 8 seconds, right? Because if you do it 30 seconds, it's going to cut out. Because the total duration for VO3 is 8 seconds. You can see that this is now what 8 seconds over here. Then visual styles is let's look at our scenes again. 2 seconds. It can reduce to 6 seconds. Then a glowing orb floats in darkness particles swirling around it. Then zoom in, light trace in a world where truth is hidden. 3 seconds. A young woman reaches out towards a floating golden symbol, the essence. Energy bursts around her. Then motion effect is this. Then duration, this is another one. The title, the essence emerges from golden dust. Glowing ring orbits around it. This is logo reveals a particle. Reveals sparkle particles. Audio. Music hits climax. Right? You can see how the thing is going to be. Then watch the essence only in theater and online, right? This is how these things is basically going to be. Once you are done checking all of this, you just copy it from here and paste it in your chat, in your Google View 3 or basically your Gemini. But before you copy, you should basically make sure that you have checked all of these things. If you want to correct it, if you want to add anything on your own, it's either you type ChatGPT to do it, or you can copy it from here. Then go to your your MS Word. You can basically go to your MS Word. This is my MS Word here. Understand? Once it opens, you can basically open new document like this. Then paste this. You can can maybe edit 1 or 2 things you want to add. Maybe anything you want to add here, you add it. But as you are editing it, make sure you don't really touch the code. Edit the content. Like if I want to edit this tone, I'll basically write this. Understand? I want to write shadow. You can see shadow. You can see that I did not touch the code. I did not touch the quotation marks. I only edited the content and while leaving it like this. Then I'll basically go back again to copy this thing. Understand? To copy my what is it? To copy my commercials to understand. So can see it. So this is basically it. I think I've written this one before now. Let me just copy it and use it for these particular commercials because I've edited and proofread it very well. Then I'm now going to copy it go to my Gemini and paste it over here. Now I'll send it. Understand? The second duration is 8 seconds. You should bear that in mind, right? Understand? Let's now see what it is giving us. Understand? The essence ensure service media logo is clear and luminous in final seconds, right? So you can learn how to use a JSON prompt for every of your commercials, unboxing, UGC, and all of those ones. So if you are using any type of ad format, you should basically make sure that you are using the correct one, because if you use a wrong ad format for a right product, you are going to spoil the commercial, right? If you use unboxing for this ad, you are going to spoil the commercial. But if you basically use unboxing well, right? If you use unboxing well, you're going to bring out a good commercial out of any ad format, right? But if you don't use it well, if you don't use it well with a good prompt, you're going to spoil the commercial basically. So I always recommend, before you do any commercial, first of all, think about the type of content, type of product you are running the commercial for, and the exact this thing you are doing. Look at the trailer here. So this is basically the trailer, the essence. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it now? Let's see.
Pain, redemption. This is the essence.
Are you seeing it now?
Pain, redemption. This is the essence.
Are you seeing it now? That
Pain,
is
redemption. This is the essence.
Are you seeing it now? This is how it's going to appear. So if you don't really like
Redemption
this candlelight is still in that
is the essence.
candlelight is still in the content. You can basically go there and check it, right? You can remove it, right? Then thank you for joining me in this commercial.
Redemption